Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aimlessstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is read a thermometer. Hi Heaven, my name is Maria. Let's just start with the lesson. Basically, you are given the figure of a thermometer. You have to see how do we read a temperature on the thermometer, right? So just look at the thermometer. Thermometer usually look like this, right? What is the temperature? You have to read the temperature from the thermometer. So how do we read the thermometer? Find the place where the temperature changes from red to white, right? You have to find the area where the temperature is changing from red to white. Basically this is the area, right? You have to look at this line and yes, that is 90 degree. The line aligns to the number 90. That means the temperature is 90 degree Fahrenheit. Here you are given the temperature. You have two units to measure the temperature. One is Fahrenheit, the other one is Celsius, right? So this temperature shows the temperature. This thermometer shows the temperature 90 degree F, right? F is the unit of the temperature. Okay, let's just start with the practice question. What is the temperature? Which is the correct option? You have to look for the area where the color changes from red to white. Yes, that is 0 degree C, right? You can see here the unit of the temperature is C. Celsius is the temperature. The correct option is 0. Very good. Okay, what is the temperature? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 0 degree Fahrenheit, right? Here the unit is Fahrenheit. So the correct option is 0 degree F. What is the temperature? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 70 degree F is the correct option, right? That is 70 degree F. What is the temperature? Which is the correct option? What is the temperature? Yes, that is 10 degrees C. The correct option is 10. Okay, what is the temperature? Which is the correct option? Yes, 30 degree F. What is the temperature? That is 0 degree F. The correct option is 0. What is the temperature? Which is the correct option? Where is 70 and 100? That is 40 degrees C. The correct option is 40, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare objects, length and height. So basically, we are going to learn how do we check the length of the things by comparing it to the different things, right? Which filling cabinet is the tallest? You are given one, two, three of them. You have to find the tallest one, right? Tallest one is the one you have to arrange them in order, and you have to see which one has the high, which one has the most length, right? So you can see here, this one is the shortest in length, and this one is the tallest, right? Yes, the middle one is the tallest. Let's just start with the test questions. Which comb is the shortest? Which is the correct option? Just look at the option, right? You can write option 1 or option 2. Write 1 or 2. So which is the shortest? Option number 1 is the correct option. You need to find a shortest one, right? So first one is the shortest. Which table is the longest? You can just write down the option number, right? Either 1 or 2. Option 1 or option 2? Here is the options. The second one is the shortest. I'm not look here, just look at the options, right? So the second one is the shortest. This way, answers you so confusing answer one or two. Oh, longest one you have to see. Yes, the first one. Sorry, I thought the shortest one. Which piece of wood is the longest? Which is the correct option? Yes, the first one is the longest. Option number one is the correct option. Which cactus is the shortest? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, the first one is the correct option. Which sword is the longest? 1 or 2? Yes, the second one is the shortest, right? Okay, so basically you have to compare the length here, right? Length of different things. Okay. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to some nice lesson. The next one is measure using objects. So how do we measure the length? By using the different objects, right? Which dies to measure the line? So you are given the line, you have to find the length of the line. You have to arrange the dice with the line, and you have to see how long is the line, right? So first place the left end of the one die at the left end of the line, right? Just align them, right? Starting from the left side, now you have to keep place more dice with no spaces and no overlaps to the end, right? Just keep placing the dice until the end of the line. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the length of the line is 6 dice long. The correct option is that is 6 dice long. Let's just start with the test questions. Basically, you have to align the dice with a line, then you have to see how long is the line according to the length. We are learning to measure the length of the different objects. Use the paper clips to measure the line. So how long is the line? You have to start the left end of the paper clip with the left end of the line, and then you have to keep placing them one by one. So the line is about how many paper clips long? That is two paper clip long, right? Not four paper clips are too long. I think two or three. Let's say, suppose they are three paper clip long. Yes, they are two paper clip long, not three, right? Just look at this line. The line is two paper clip long. Use dice to measure the line. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is just one dice long. The correct option is one. Use the dice to measure the line. That is 6, 8. No, I think they are. The line is 6 dice long. The correct option is 6. You don't have the option 8, right? They are 5, 6, 10, and 5. So that is 6 dice long. The correct option is 6. That's the one we did on the tutorial, isn't it? Use the dice to measure the line. Yes, just one dice long. The correct option is 1. Use paper clips here the line. So the line is about how many paper clips long? 2350. That is 3 paper clips long. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is measure using an inch ruler. So how do we measure the length using the inch ruler? Are working on grade 1 math. The chapter we are working on is measurement. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So basically, you have to align the ruler to the line. You have to line up the zero and the start of the line, right? The right end of the line, you have to see where the right end of the line ends. So the right end of the line ends at 2 inches. The correct option is 2 inches, right? Let's just you place the uh, ruler with the line, align the left hand with the start of the line and measure the line until the end. You are not to make friends, so please focus on the learning. Just answer the questions I am asking. You are not allowed to chat here. So which is the correct option? The line is about dash inches long. 4325. The chat is to answer the questions. That is 3 inches long. The correct option is move the ruler to my length of the line to the nearest inches, which is the correct option. Yes, again, that is 3 inches long. The correct option is 3. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch, so which is the correct option. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch, so which is the correct option. Yes, 2 inches long it is. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line, so which is the correct option. Guess 3 inches long it is. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 it is. Just write the answers once. Stop spamming. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch, which is the correct option. Two inches long it is, right? Okay, you can the long. Okay, just one question left. So let's just finish this lesson. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is just 1 inch long. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is which customary unit of length is appropriate. Now we're going to learn the different units we have to use when we are measuring the length of anything, right? So let's just start with the test questions because in the tutorial you're not given with the options, right? Okay, which is the better estimate for the height of a shower head? 6 feet, 6 inches, right? So feet and inches, they both are the units we use to measure the length. But inches is a smaller unit and feet is a longer unit, right? So that is just a shower head. So it must be 6 inches. The correct option is that is 6 inches, right? Because 6 feet is too long for the shower head. Yes, 6 feet it is because 6 inches is too short. Which is the better estimate for the length of a finger? 2 inch 2 feet, which is the correct option. That is 2 inches. The correct option is 2 inches. 2 is not important. Just write down the less unit. Unit is important here, right? Which is the better estimate for the height of a swing set? 7 inches, 7 feet. 7 inches is too small for the length of the swing set, right? That must be 7 feet. The correct option is 7 feet. Which is the better estimate for the height of a ketchup bottle? Yes, 1 foot it is. 1 inch is too small for the length of ketchup bottle. Which is a better estimate for the length of a postcard? 5 inch, 5 feet. That is 5 inches. No, 5 feet is too long for the postcard. That must be 5 inches. Which is a better estimate for the length of a rare? 5 inches, 5 feet. That must be 5 feet. Which is the better estimate for the length of a tennis racket? 27 feet is, I think, too much for the racket. Yes, that would be 27 inches, right? Which is the better estimate for the length of surfboard? 7 inches, 7 feet. That would be 7 feet. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we're working on is measurement. The lessons we have covered today are read a thermometer, compare objects length and height, measure using objects, measure using an inch ruler, and which customary unit of length is appropriate. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you still have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? You can please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.